Hi everyone, this is Rufaro and welcome to She Money Hacks. So I hope you're all doing well, and please go ahead, like, comment and subscribe, and let's let this family grow. So in today's video, I will be going over a stock split, right? What is a stock split? I'm sure you've been seeing in the news lately, or just people talking about the stock split. What exactly is a stock split, right? Because we've seen Tesla happening for a long time. It's happening today, and it probably will continue happening. So starting off right at the beginning, what is a stock? So stock is a financial security. So it's basically having some ownership in a company. So we have Tesla the company as a whole, and you purchase a stock. For you to purchase being a part owner in Tesla, right? So I have a really good example for you guys to explain what a stock split is. So for instance, I have this gigantic jar of animal crackers, and so for instance, this jar of crackers is one company, right? This is a company called Crackers. So in this company called Crackers, mind the helicopter. Yes, sir. You can pass it. So in this company of mine called Crackers, this company has, for instance, let's say 1,000 shares. So this company could be your Amazon, your Tesla, your Apple, whatever. And so what this company will do is they will sell shares, they will issue stocks. And so what this means is people can buy these stocks. So for instance, if it's a public company, they can then have an IPO, which is initial public offering, and then basically they're selling shares to the public. And I'm gonna go into probably why they would do this, but basically the whole thing is this company has 1,000 shares, and us, the general public, will say, hey, I want to buy, I want to have some ownership in this company that I'm supporting. Let's say if you have a Tesla car, you also want to have some ownership in this company. So you will go ahead, this is the exchange, okay? You buy, let's say I bought two stocks in this company, okay? I'm gonna close it. So I bought two stocks. That means if this stock is valued at, for instance, $10, and I bought two, that means I have $20, right? So what happens with a stock split is that, okay, let's say $10 it's really expensive. Like we've seen Tesla it's going up. This year it's just been going up. Amazon is going up. Apple is going up. Microsoft is going up, because they're doing really, really well. And so the price is going up, but for just a regular person, a regular investor, this stock might be too expensive for them to buy. So now imagine when they split it, yeah? This is one stock of this company we called Crackers, and it's worth $10. So when they do a stock split, it's basically, my breaking is not that great. Let's try this one. Let's say they break it. Oh, perfect. Break it in half. Now you have not one, but you have two, but it's two of the exact same thing. It's not like if I initially had $20, right, worth of stock in this company called Crackers. It's not like, oh, now because it's split into 4 pieces, I have what? $40. No, I still have $20, but it's just split in half. So here, see, this was $10 at 5.5. Does it make sense? So then it would be 5, 5, 5, 5. Then I add them, and I have $20 worth. So the thing is, when you do a stock split, it doesn't affect the market cap at all. It will still be the same. So market cap meaning is basically the number of outstanding shares times the share price. So here, outstanding, they probably 1,000 shares still left here. They split them in half, right? It doesn't mean that, oh, because they split them in half, now they have 2,000 times $10, and then now the market cap is increased. No, the market cap stays the same. Here, in my portfolio, I would still have $20 worth of stocks in this company called Crackers. So if you and me can't afford to have bought this at initially $10, we can now buy 5. You see, it's split. It makes sense. It seems cheaper, and they can definitely attract traffic from a regular investor for someone who might not have afforded it before. But the thing is, a lot of people don't know that you can also buy fractional shares, which is literally buying a fraction of a share. So instead of buying 1, you could buy point something of a share, and it won't be the same price, but it will be, worth that fraction that you bought, and so the same thing. So whether this company does a stock split or it doesn't do one, you can still invest in that company. You can still buy some stocks in that company. You don't have to buy a whole one. You can buy partial, and that doesn't affect your value at all. So ultimately, doing a stock split, it's like yay nay. If you understand that, hey, if I have my shares, if I have my stocks here, I'm not going to be affected by this. I just was going to do a breakdown on this. I hope you guys found this helpful. I actually like this example, and I hope you enjoyed. And also good. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video on stock splits. And let me know if you have any questions in the comment section. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and yeah.